Marburg virus by Graham Kilpatrick. What is Marburg virus? Marburg virus is a highly virulent disease that causes hemorrhagic fever, and it's in the same family as the Ebola virus disease. History of Marburg virus. Marburg virus was first recognized in 1967 when there was an outbreak of hemorrhagic fever in labs in Belgrade, Yugoslavia. In that outbreak, there were 31 ill and 7 dead. This graph shows the onset of symptoms and the suspected and confirmed symptoms and the number of patients. Where Marburg virus is most effective? Mostly in Africa and around that area. And the purple dotted line is the range of where the fruit bats live, and the orange is the reported hemorrhagic fever outbreaks. The blue stars are the locations reported with Marburg outbreak or causes, isolated cases. What microbe is Marburg virus? Marburg virus is a virus from the same family as Ebola. It is in the filovirus family. Symptoms of Marburg virus. Some symptoms include high fever, malaise, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, skin rash, hemorrhage. Severe hemorrhaging manifestations between 5 to 7 days after onset symptoms. Deaths occur usually 8 to 9 days after onset symptoms. How does Marburg affect the cells and cause these symptoms? Marburg virus targets monocytes, macrophages, and dendritic cells. First, Marburg goes into the system, disarms the immune system, and then dismantles the vascular system. It spreads to the liver, spleen, and other organs after it spread to the body. It's been progressing and progresses so fast that researchers can't precisely calculate the time for the spreading. Transmission. You can get Marburg virus by having direct contact with anyone or any living thing infected with Marburg virus. You could get the virus if you had prolonged exposure to a cave or a mine inhabited by bat colonies. Healthcare workers working on Marburg patients often get Marburg virus. The highest fatality rate has been when you get injected or infected by a needle with Marburg virus on it. Is there a cure for Marburg virus? Not yet. Marburg virus has no specific cure. If you get Marburg virus, you will get supportive hospital therapy, and scientists are still searching for a cure. Long-term effects. Researchers don't fully know about the after effects. All they know is that there are headaches, joint pain, and eye problems. Economic cost. The World Health Organization in Uganda released $623,000 from its contingency fund for emergencies. The money was used for lab testing and treatment for the viruses, and surveillance for search of new cases and contact tracings. These are the references. Thank you for listening.